A very good and a refreshing morning, ladies and gentlemen. Warmest welcome to all of you watching us right there. I am Shikha, your host, and on behalf of Voice and Data Cyber Media, I would like to welcome your lovely presence at the 20th edition of Telecom Leadership Forum. Now, exactly like how we do it on ground, let's bring up some very beautiful, enthusiastic round of applause from wherever we are watching each other, right? So, as India's leading and the first telecom industry magazine, Voice and Data has been chronicling journey of the telecom ecosystem in India since the first telecom policy was announced to open up the sector. Well, indeed, a journey to reckon with, ladies and gentlemen. The publication has been an industry voice, actively highlighting its achievements, underlining the challenges, and advocating the policy updates and changes, playing, in fact, an independent role of the fourth pillar to drive and influence the factors of growth. Well, yes, the Cyber Media Group publication, ladies and gentlemen, has also been motivating the industry to do more, be better, and innovate by recognizing the leaders, the trailblazers. So, keeping up the tradition, Voice and Data also brings to you today the 20th edition of Annual Telecom Leadership Forum and Awards. Well, a meeting of the telecom leaders and the other key stakeholders from India and across. So this conference in your very esteemed presence is of course to meet, to discuss, to explore new and emerging business models, technology options, revenue streams, and changing customer expectations. Well, over the years, the platform has also evolved as a lovely confluence of policymakers, the think tank, and the executioners to come together and set the direction for the growth of the industry. Well, I have to say and take this moment here to express my gratitude because we do have a heart of gratitude towards our partners and our industry associations whose constant support really helped us to bring to you this edition that you are already witnessing, of course, the experiential platform that we have laid down for all of you there. So a big shout out to our presenting partner, Cisco. Thank you very much. Well, today's forum is powered by HPE PC Solutions. Our goal partners being Sterlite Technologies, Comviva, Accenture, and Sienna. Well, as supporting partners, we must thank the Broadband India Forum, CMAI, COAI, ICEA, ITU-APT, TAIPA, and TIMA. Thank you. And with that, the most exciting part, which happens to be my favorite part, that is the exciting announcements that I bring to the table. So yes, as you can see and browse through, well, because we'll not allow you any digital break as you're watching us. This is a continuous experiential series for all of you today. So reserve your day and feel free to explore the networking lounge, where you can see we have beautifully laid the smart chat option, if you can see on your screens. So make sure you visit that and interact with your industry colleagues out there. Well, I must say that it would be very lovely to have your insights as well. So please remember to fill in the feedback form at the survey tab because your opinion matters to us. And with that, we would be welcoming questions from all our audience members. So make sure you put it in the chat box out there. We would be very happy to take it up and get back to you. And the Expo Hall. Get ready, brace yourself for all the actionable insights, of course, at the expos, the exhibition booths, where you can also actually initiate a chat one-on-one with the booth representatives. Well, we also have two auditoriums, as you can see on the sets. I'll talk in detail more about them, but right now it's time for all of you really with your digital impressions on the screen. Make sure that you climb up the leaderboard because some fabulous prizes are indeed reserved for the top scorers. So remember to check the detailed terms and conditions by clicking on the icon leaderboard. And of course, keep checking your scores. Let's have a healthy competition and a vibe of camaraderie there. So gear up for those prizes because I never miss on them. All right, of course, we've also laid down some experiential resources, brochures, and videos for you. So make sure you view them. You can also download them. And having said that, I think it's the right time that we welcome Mr. Pradeep Gupta, the chairman, Cyber Media Group, to kickstart the 20th edition. It is big. It's going to be loud. It's going to be very experiential, very grand. Well, this is the Voice and Data Telecom Leadership Forum. This is time for opening remarks from Mr. Gupta. So over to you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pradeep Gupta, Chairman of Cyber Media and the publisher of Voice and Data. It is indeed a pleasure for me to welcome all of you to this virtual Telecom Leadership Forum today. It was in 1994, just a few months after the telecom policy was announced, that Voice and Data took birth. It's indeed been a very, very memorable journey for us. In these years, we have catalogued the entire industry. We have chronicled the various things that have emerged out of this entire industry. We have looked at the issues, and we have driven the direction in which things should evolve and how things should change as far as the telecom industry is concerned. These years have been really defining moments, not just for the telecom industry, but for India. I remember at the time when we started, there was complete sort of, very lack of connectivity in the country. That started improving, and then mobility came in, and mobility started becoming ubiquitous. And then we had cheaper rates, and therefore the entire telecom network became the first and foremost tool which people use. And so, really speaking, from a thing that assisted us to moving center stage, that is the kind of a transition that one has seen over all these years. And I've been very happy and proud to be associated with the tremendous amount of growth that has been taking place in this industry. Last year was yet another defining moment for the industry. And the way the industry came forward, the way all the wheels of the industry turned in motion to ensure that there was a seamless way of working, even during long lockdowns and curfews and so on, was absolutely commendable. The telecom traffic moved through the roof, but the telecom industry ensured that the wheels kept on turning. In the light of what has happened in the last 1 year, today's Telecom Leadership Forum has an additional value for all the participants. Very clearly, what one can see is that there is this digital transformation taking place, and the Telecom Leadership Forum has been the forum to define what are the different kind of changes that are taking place in the entire industry. While Voice and Data is 27 years old, TLF is 20 years old. So that Telecom Leadership Forum itself is celebrating its 2 decades of being in existence. And I remember in the early days, the focus was India, and then after that, we started looking at, what can be done in terms of collaboration within the entire South Asian region, and so on. There have been different kind of issues that TLF has taken up, and indeed today's TLF has, as I said, an additional meaning, because this is the first one in the post-pandemic area, which is really bringing technology, deep tech, communication into center stage. And therefore, the way we used to know the industry in the past is no longer going to be the way the industry is going to be looked at in the future. So I welcome you to a full day's deliberation, and I'm sure you will be highly enriched and will emerge with many more ideas at the end of today's session. Thank you.